New at 4, thousands of Georgia college students are preparing for the next stage of their tuition fight. Today we talked with students about how the state Supreme Court decided against them in a battle for in-state college tuition.
I just want to finish and get my degree there. I want to have a career. I just want to live the American dream, and I want to accomplish it.
For Ivan Morales, that dream seems further away today. The Georgia Supreme Court turned down immigrant students in their fight for in-state tuition. Many graduated from local high schools but were born in other countries. Several thousand students in Georgia are part of the federal Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, which grants work rights.
They are morally destroying these kids.
Attorney Charles Cook says the Supreme Court decision was not on the merits of the case, but based on whether they had a right to sue the Board of Regents as an entity. So he plans to take legal action against individual members.
There is no economic or moral reason to say that these kids who grew up in the state of Georgia, were educated by our tax dollars, who all work here legally, who pay taxes here legally, all of whom have driver's licenses, why they can't pay in-state tuition.
The University System of Georgia issued a statement saying, "Our policy was adopted several years ago to mirror a new state law. That law required public higher education, including the university system, to ensure that only students who could demonstrate lawful presence were eligible for certain benefits, including in-state tuition. That law remains in effect, and therefore, so will our policy."
During the weekends, I study. That's how I manage it.
Yosasat Santillan goes to Kennesaw State University. He fits in studying after his full-time manufacturing job.
Despite all the legalities, there's no difference. There shouldn't be any difference in the way I'm treated.
Here I pay taxes here, I work here, I do everything here. This is home. I mean, it's Atlanta.
We reached out to the Attorney General's office. A spokesperson says they have no comment on the decision. The student's attorney said he'll be ready with a new round of lawsuits next week.